So in today class, we will cover Linux text editor, how you can edit a file, right, on command line. And also in the same way, if you want to open just like a graphical mode, how you can edit file in a graphical mode. So let's see in the command line, right? So text editor. So you understand what is text editor? It means you can just edit any file. So in Linux, right? In Linux, you understand everything is a file. Remember this. Everything is a file in Linux, right? There is nothing program and all. Every program and everything is written somewhere in the file. All configuration, everything, right? So you have to understand how you can edit a file, right? To create the default editor. So Linux have some default editor, right? Like vi, right? Vi is the command which you can use to edit a file, right? Just let's suppose let's do ls. So here, see, we have one configuration file, anaconda.ks.cfg. So first let's create one uh, empty file, test1.txt. Okay, so let's suppose you created this file and currently nothing is written inside this file, so it's blank, right? And now you want to edit this file. So how you can edit? You have if you are using Linux, so by default, you will have two command installed, right? Which you can use to edit any file in Linux. The first one is vi command and the second one is nano command, right? Just like vi and the second one is nano, right? These two command you will find, right? If you have installed the basic things. But if you will not find these two command, you will find one of them for sure. So let's suppose anyone have a customized Linux, right? So they want to not install, or maybe they have uninstalled that. So you will find one of them. So the very first thing and the most usable command in Linux to edit in a file is vi, right? So vim have two version of text editor. One is vi and second one is vim, right? So two command is there, vi and vim. These two commands, sorry, in small vim. These two command is there, which you will use most of the time, right? So maybe here we have a confusion. Why vin? What is vim? So vim is nothing but it's an improved version of vi only. Okay.
Okay.
It's an improved version of vi, so you will understand what is the difference when we'll do the edit. So when we do a vi or vim, so let's suppose you want to edit any file. So how you can edit? You have to run command vim space the file name, which file you want to edit, right? Let's suppose we have here a test1.txt. So you have to give command vim space that test1.txt and then press enter. So once you will enter, right, once you will open any file with the vim, by default, right, it will open in a command mode. By default it will open in a command mode. So what you have to do, right, here you can understand. See, if you will type anything, it will not work. Your keyboard will not work on this screen because this is a command mode, right? So from command mode you have to press I, right? I key, right? You have to press I to go in the, let me just make smaller a little bit. Okay, so once you will press I key, right, you will land in the insert mode, right? You will land in the insert mode. Okay, here. See in the down, right? You are able to see
Yeah.
insert, it's a written insert here, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you will get this. But when you will get insert mode, you can type anything, whatever you want to write, right? Just like, hi, this is cloud, right? So I have written this text. And if you want to go, say, means after pressing insert, you can do whatever changes you want to do inside your file. And after that, you have to press again escape, right? ESC key from your keyboard, right? Once you will press that, that insert mode again, it will disappear, and you will again go on the command mode, right? So on command mode, if you want to save this file, what you have to do, you have to press colon, right? So see, two dot is there, colon. So this colon is called command mode, right? So here you can run W if you want to write. So see, once I press W and then press enter, it's saying 22 character is written in two line, right? See, you have edited two line and 22 character is written. Okay, so
Hold on.
it will count.
I can't
Yeah,
see the two lines.
in last line you are not able to see.
Is this hi? This is NS Cloud.
Yeah, so you are not able to see two line, right?
No.
Yeah, great question and great observation. So in Linux and in text editor, that space is also count a line, right? See here,
Mm-hmm.
first one, this first one is a
Mm-hmm.
first line, and when you move cursor in the second line, that one space is there, right? See, and let's suppose I'm just setting a number as C and U here. See, two line is there, one and
Mm-hmm.
two, right? So it's counting all lines with the space also. So if you will count 22 characters, see, it's not written 22 character, but if you will calculate the space, it will be 22
Space.
characters. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So and after that, if you want to save, it's already written, right? So once you will press W, it will write, right? And once you want to come out from this file, you have to go again on a command mode, means you have to press colon and then press Q. Q means quit. Once you will press, you will come out from this file. So let's see whatever we have just written inside this file, it is saved or not, right? So see, it's saying, hi, this is NS Cloud, right? So it's already
Mm-hmm.
saved, right? So what, let's open that file and again do some modification, right? VIM. See now, inside this file, let's suppose if you want to write copy this whole line, right? This whole line, let's suppose you want to copy this whole line, right? So you cannot use your mouse to copy and paste. See, if you want, you can do, right? But on terminal, why we are getting mouse here? Because we are working on the physical server, right? But
Mm-hmm.
when you will work on any graphic command line server directly, mouse not will be available there, right? Only keyboard
Mm-hmm.
will be there. So you cannot do select, copy, paste. Yeah, you can do select, copy, paste on putty, on any graphical terminal. That's okay. But you will not able to do on your command line, right? So on command line, if you want to copy this whole line, so what options you have? Either you write whole line again, right? Or either you can copy this line. So how you can copy a whole line? So you have to press Y two times, right? Y for yank, right? YANK, yank, or you can say a copy. See, and after that you have to press P, right? Let's suppose you want to uh, print that, right? So you have to press P, right? Once you will press P, it will paste that, whatever you have copied, right? If you want to paste multiple times, you have to press P like this. Understand?
Okay, so when you want to copy, you use what? Y.
So Y to yank. Yank means copy. If you want to copy a whole line, you have to press Y. Let's suppose you want to copy 5 lines, right? One, two, three, 4, 5. You want to copy all these 5 lines from top, right? Means this from that line where you have your cursor, right? From that line to next 5 line you want to copy. Then what you will do? You have to type a number, right? Number like 5, and then Y,
Okay.
right? So you have to type 5 YY 2 times. It means Y you have to type 2 times. So see here in the bottom, what it is saying, 5 line ank, right? Yes, no, you are able to see my this screen or not?
Yes, I can see 5 lines. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's ank is selected. You are able to see that?
Yeah.
Okay, then great. Okay. Okay, so this means this 5 line is ank, and now you can move your cursor where you want to go. And if you want to press, right, again you have to press Y, and then let's suppose you are you want to just I press I here so that I can insert a new line. Okay, and again I'm going out from insert mode, and now I am on command mode. So here I can press P. Once I will press P, see this 5 line will be pasted, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? So in the same way, let's suppose you want to copy 100 lines together. So you have to type 100 and then YY, not Y only, YY.
Y. Okay.
Yeah, means 2 times you have to press Y to yank. Okay. And to paste, you have to do single time P, right? So it will paste everything. So see, we don't have 100 lines. So it's copied only 5 lines and it pasted only 5 lines, right?
Yes.
In this file, we don't have 100 lines written. So it will copy only those lines which you want to copy, right? So now the thing, let's suppose if you want to delete it, right? Delete these 5 lines or 10 lines. So how you can delete any line? You have to press D, right? So once you will press D, it will delete the line, right? Let's suppose here I'm in this line and I wanted to delete this complete line from paragraph, right? So what I have to do, you have to press D 2 times, right? Like YY, you have to press D 2 times to delete the line, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So when you will press D 2 times, it will delete that complete line. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's suppose whatever you have written and you just saved it, right? Saved it here. See, you saved it. So whatever changes we have done, it is saved, right? But you did not close this file. You have only saved it, but you did not close it till now. So until you will close, that session will be still remain there, right? Means you can do undo, right? So you can do undo whatever you have changes you have done, right? So how you can do undo? To do undo, you can press U, right? Once you will press U, you can undo your changes, right? Like this. See, it is already at the oldest change, right? Means whatever, when we open this file, whatever content was there, now we reach at the same level. See, this will only work until you save and quit, right? If you have saved but you have not quit, then you can undo, right? Same like in a file, what we do in a graphical mode in Excel or anything, right? In the same way, you can do undo, right? Let's suppose Now you want to go in the last, right? So what you can press? You can press, you just like shift plus E right here. See, my cursor is here, and I just wanted to move just like word by word. So you have to press shift and then E. See, it's moving word by word, right?
You press what?
Sorry.
You said you press what to move.
Yeah, shift plus E. E for
Okay.
right? So you have to press shift plus E to move your
Okay.
cursor. Understand?
Yeah.
And see, X is used to,
Can you also use the arrow?
yeah, you can also use arrow always will go how arrow will go. See, when you will use arrow, it is going like this, right? One by one, right? So, and let's suppose you want to go in the last of the line or end of the line. See, let me, hello, and you are in the beginning, and if you want to go inside, right, last, right? So you can move like this, right? Means line by line. You can up arrow, down arrow will work like left, right, up and down, right? But when you want to go inside this, you can use this one, right? This one means up an arrow with shift. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So clear what we did. We learned how you can edit, how you can save, how you can copy, how you can paste, right? And also X is there. Let's suppose if you want to delete anything, you want to a character, you can also press X, right? In place of delete key. See, in a command line. Understand? Just like if you are in command line, if you want to delete all these things, you have to press X, right? When you will press X, it will delete it, right? Or either you can do insert and then you can press delete key from your keyboard to delete any character. So to do delete any character from command line, you will use X. To delete any character from insert mode, you will use backslash or delete key. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, right, there is some extra features, right? Like in the keyboard, there is arrow key where you can navigate the VI or VIM, right? Therefore, VI was grouped with HJKL, right? So here H is hang back, J for jump down, K for up, and L for forward. Means in the same way as your keyboard arrow will work, right? Means up and down key is there, right? So if you press, let's suppose, right, if you are there and if you want to move up arrow up or down, right, if you will press H, so it will go, and if you will press L, right, it will go in the last, right? And if you will press K, right, so insufficient border or cursor, right? L for third. So you can manipulate it, right, according to your need. So let's, and in the final, let's suppose you want to save and quit in a same time, right? So how you can do, you can go on a command line, means you can press colon and you can type W and Q together, W in and Q together to save this file, right? Means W means say write and Q for quit, means you are just saving and coming out, right? Understand?
Yes.
See, you have option, either you press W first and then again go on command mode and then press Q and come out. So in place of running command two times, you can simply run W and then Q together,
Sure.
right?
Yeah.
So one more thing, let's suppose you want to save any file forcefully. Forcefully means, right? If two people will access the same file, two people will access the same file, right? Maybe you will get error, someone else are accessing, or you will get write protected error, right? So what you can do, let's suppose in some configuration file also, let's suppose when you write inside any configuration, that time also sometime it asks to save forcefully, right? I think etc sudo here. I just press insert and then see what it is saying. Warning, changing a read only file, right? So let I just put one hash. You cannot don't do much modification inside this file because it's a risky file, right? And I just wanted to save it, save and quit. See what it is saying. It is saying read only files options. It said add explanation to override, right? Means if you want to save forcefully, you have to press WQ and plus explanation key from keyboard, right? To save what changes you have done in this file. Means simply you can understand, if you will open any file that is a critical file and that can impact on your system, it will not simply save and write, right? It will ask you confirmation. Means if you are 100% sure you are doing correctly, then you can use explanation, right? So explanation means forcefully, means override, right? So you can use it forcefully to write any file. All right. So when you get this for when you have to use this explanation, the first thing when you will have any write protected means any configuration file which are set to be write protected, but root can modify that file. Then in time when you will get, let's suppose two people are accessing same file from two locations. In that case also you get use this explanation to save that file forcefully. Understand?
Yes.
Now let's suppose you want to get some idea about VIM or VI. So what you can do, right? Either you can use man VIM, right? You will get all options right here. Here, right? And you can just see all the command and everything here, and you can take a reference. Or either you can use info space VIM, right? You will also get all the possible options and information about this. And the best way, if you don't want to use this, you can use VIM tutor, right? VIM tutor, this command. So once you will run this command, you will land on the tutor page. So here, if you want, you can read this complete, documentation related to VIM. So the extra, right? It's saying it will take around 20-30 minutes to, right, spend on this. So you can read in a very detail, right? Lesson 1, moving the cursor. How you can move the cursor? Either you can use up, right, down, and left and right, or either you can use HKJL to move the cursor, right? So it is saying move the cursor around the screen until you are comfortable, right? So you can use it. Lesson, editing the VIM. So before, right, executing any of the steps below, read the entire lessons. So see, type what it is saying. Press escape key to make sure you are in normal mode, right? Or command mode, you can say, right? And you can type this and press enter. This exit the editor, right? Discarding any change you have made, right? So you can see, you can explore it. Whatever I have teach, it's written there, right? And let's suppose if you want press hyphen I, move your cursor first line and mark this one, right? To comment it, right? So you can use like this. So use, I will say just use VM tutor by your own, right? And just read all
Okay.
the documentation, whatever given inside that. Now, let's suppose, let's create a copy of a file, etc -rc, and then where I just wanted to copy in the current directory. So I can press dot. So here see this bash rc is created. So let's understand the concept of VI and VIM, right? What is the difference? Bash rc. See, once you open same thing. So what command you can use in the VIM, same thing you can do in the VI also. So VIM is the improved version of VI. So have you seen any difference? So see, I opened this file with VIM command, VI command. Now let's open the same file with VIM command and see. Have you seen the difference? It's colorful, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you open VIM, it's colorful. And also, let's suppose here, I'm just going to modify anything here, right? Or any scripting or anything, right? See, it changed the color, right? See, the color
Yeah.
is changed, means this is not the correct. So being expert, you will understand when you will start working on the daily basis in the scripting part or anything. Means if you'll do any modification, you can find out easily. You can, let's suppose I just remove this, all right, and
Mm-hmm.
use anything. This in this command, see, this is the variable. The color is changed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's VIM is intelligent to, all right, capture all your mistake. Means
Okay.
it's very just like it's looking like it's not looking good as before, right? Means you will do any modification, right? And
Mm-hmm.
means you are doing any mistake, it will pick you, it will give you some hint. Oh no, this is not the correct format, right? Just like
Mm-hmm.
now, let's suppose we have done any mistake and we don't want to save any changes and just wanted to come out. You have to press Q, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once you will press Q, you will come out from that file without saving any changes. So VIM first tab. See, in this format, right? Here we have all these lines. Let's suppose I'm just going to do a type change. See what
Mm-hmm.
happened. It's not looking same, right? If you have done any
Yes, the color
mistake,
has changed.
like in the first line, it's giving you
Yeah.
hint. No, no, the color is changed. Means this is
Mm-hmm.
correct, right?
Yeah.
So you can easily find out. So you can simply, you will understand all these things from your experience when you will start working on a daily basis. But simply you can understand VIM is an improved version of VI command, and it
Yeah.
will help you to understand the syntax error, right? So in the same way, if you have just like notepad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, if you have a simple notepad in your Windows, and you have a notepad plus plus, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you open notepad plus plus, when you type anything syntax, it automatically correct, or sometime it's give you hint, no, this is not the correct line, right?
Yeah.
Or the pass, or any syntax, if you are doing any common mistake, it will show you, yeah, some issue is there, right? So you can easily identify that. Okay, so let's suppose,
Okay, but the VI, when you run the VI command,
yeah,
the outcome or the output, you didn't really edit it for me to
right.
see
Right. So
if
if
it
I
will.
tell about me, I never ever use VI command. I always use VIM. until and unless there is a restriction to not install any package. So in some case, when you install VI just operating system with the basic, right, you will not get VIM by default installed. But when you will install graphical mode, you will get VIM installed. So in some time, VIM command will not be available on the server. So if there is no restriction to install the package, I will simply install it yum install VIM command and it will be installed. But if there is a restriction, I cannot install it. I use VI command and I do my work. Okay. So now.
Okay, so when you are in the VI, when you use the VI command and you make like an error or wrong editing, will it prompt you, or it's not going to indicate it like the VIM does?
All right. So that's what I'm saying now. In VI command, you will get everything in a single color. Right. So in VI command, see, all is black.
Yeah.
Right. You will not understand if you will do any syntax error. Right.
Okay.
You will not understand, you will not find that easily. But if you will do syntax just VIM, you will find the syntax error easily. Just like here is a bracket, right? Let's suppose you just change this bracket here. Let here.
Yes, it changes. I was just looking at the VI.
All
If
right.
you try to change something, does it really change anything?
I just remove this bracket from here. It's saying,
Yes.
see, this is the mistake, red, right? Means danger. Understand? So
Yeah.
it give you a hint if you will use BIM. So it's a good practice to use BIM until and
Yeah.
unless you have a, just like any dependency, you have to be use VI only, right? Okay. So now let's open VIM again. Now inside this file, some advanced things, right? Let's suppose you want to search anything, right? In this file, right? Let's suppose you have 1000 line inside this file and you want to search something, right? And then how you can search? You can simply just like press slash, right? See, slash here, and then you can type whatever you want to search inside that file. Let's suppose I just wanted to search this, the host name, right? And press enter. So once you will press slash and then keyword, what you want to search inside this file, you will get it. See, in two places written host name. So after that, you have to press N. N means it will search the content, right? It will see cursor is moving, right? Let's suppose I'm just want to search this and then like this. See, and then once you will press enter, your cursor will find out that all search program, and then you can press and to move your cursor means next file. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So in here, in the VIM, in this one command, if let's say if you make a mistake or there is a text error that you mistakenly deleted or changed something, and then the color changes,
Right.
and you want to correct it, is there a means you can just use undo so that it will go back to the correct text, or you have to actually know what you deleted? Like when you deleted the bracket, what if I don't know that the text that was deleted was the bracket? How
Right.
will I correct it?
Right. Great question. So see, as an administrator, right, when you will work on the server, so you have to make a practice by creating a backup file before doing any kind of modifications, right? Means, suppose this is my configuration file and I know I have to modify this bash RC. So if I'm 100% confident, yeah, I am doing correct thing, you do normally. But if you are in doubt, let's suppose as a fresher or lacking of experience, you have a doubt, right? And maybe you can do a mistake. So for safer side, just create a backup, right? Bash RC, bash RC underscore BKP, and then 16 March like this. Create one backup. If you see one backup file is created. So this is the before modification. And after that, you can simply modify this one. And let's suppose you have done any mistake. I have deleted all this file. I have just, right, then did mistakes, right? So what you can do, you have a backup file here, right? You have a backup file. So you can simply run diff command, DIF, and then bash RC space bash RC this. So it will tell you what mistakes you have done, means where you have done changes, right? Understand? So you will find, and if you are not able to correct or right, if you are not able to find out what mistakes you have done, you can simply recover your file from here, just like cp bash rc underscore backup and then bash rc. It will ask you to overwrite, just overwrite. That's it. Now your original file is back. Understand?
Okay.
So you can, being an administrator, you have options, right? But when you will be an expert, you will understand what where you are doing mistakes, right? Simply.
Okay.
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 Great. So now I think it's enough for now, right? To for the VIM, right? So what we learn about the VIM, you can edit the file, you can modify file, you can search inside that, right? And if you want to copy paste, you can do copy paste also, right? And another thing, right? We have gedit, right? Gedit is there or not? Let me check. It is installed or not here. Gedit command is used for the graphical. If it is not installed, you will not see.
Sorry, let me ask a quick question.
Yeah.
When you open the bash, is it bash RC, that file?
Why I opened that bash RC file?
No, when you opened it in the VIM command, with the VIM command, yes, you searched for a keyword using the slash.
Not understand.
When you run the VIM command for the bash RC, that file, yes, and you wanted to look for a particular keyword like this one, you said I should enter slash and then the keyword,
right?
And then it will highlight it,
right?
Yes. So when you open it like this, must you be concerned about where the cursor is before you type the slash?
It's still showing like this only in search. So it's showing because see, I searched that is in a last time I searched that, so that's why it's showing search result whatever I searched in the last time. So if you want to remove it, just you have to press anything XYZ and just press enter. So if that character will not found, you will, that cursor will highlighted characters will gone, right?
Okay, so down there where you searched, yes, do you have to move it? No, I'm not asking why. I'm saying that
why I search to remove. Let's suppose, see in your file, so many things is there, and I have to do modification that command prompt, right? I have to do modification. So I search that so that I can go directly inside that, right, where it is written.
Yes. Yes, I'm not even asking why. I'm saying that the moment you open and you start typing, does it write down there, or you have to move the cursor down there also, or you have to type a particular key?
No, you have to press slash, right?
Okay.
You have to just doesn't matter where you are in the file. When you want to search, you have to press slash here, slash,
Okay. And
right?
it will start
After,
writing down there.
yeah, after that, the keyword, whatever you want to search, right?
Okay.
Press enter. Once you will press, it will go in the search result. And if you want to go next, you have to press and like this, right?
So this one is in the command mode, right?
Right.
Okay.
The command mode, not from the insert mode. Because
Okay.
when
Okay.
when you will be on insert mode now, whatever key you will, it will type.
Okay. That was why I was concerned. That was why I was
Okay, no
asking the
issue, no
question.
issue. All right. So when you will be on command mode, sorry, in
Okay.
each and every key, whatever you will type, it will print it. It will write,
Yeah.
right? So if you want to search or do anything, insert, just like if you don't want to type, you have to do everything from command prompt only, means
Command.
mode,
Okay.
right? Search.
Okay.
Let's suppose you want to set a line, complete line, right? So you, what you can do, you can also press colon, and then you can do SE space NU. SENU means set numbers, right? Once you will press it, you will set line numbers inside the whole file, and that will be easy. Just like this is also for the reference. Let's suppose you are doing any modification for any configuration. So you can simply set the line number and you can see, yeah, I did modification in line number 75, right?
Yeah.
Let's suppose you are working with your colleague and you did any modification. So you can also inform, hey, I did modification in line number 75 inside the bash RC. So when he will open the bash RC, he can go in the line number 75 and he can simply work on it. Okay.
Okay.
Next thing, let's suppose, let me come out first. So again, let's suppose you want to move, just like the same thing, you given line number 75 to your friend and you want to go in line number 75. So how you can go? Either you just move cursor up like this, or either you can simply type line number 75. So how you can type? Again, command prompt means command mode double colon and line number 75 like this. And you will land up in line number 75. See, this is the line number 75. Understand?
Okay. So you don't have to type the SENU.
SENU means set numbers. So
Set
means
numbers.
without, see,
Okay.
here also it is indicating you are working on line number 75.
Okay.
Right? And here it is indicating that the percentage of that file.
Okay.
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 See, gedit command. Gedit command is also for the graphical mode, but it will work when you will have a graphical mode installed. Understand? Means on your terminal, if you have open, you just open your terminal and you can run this command gedit. Means when you will have a graphical mode installed, right? You can use gedit command on terminal to open any file from terminal to command mode, right? Just like right click and open file. You will, if you have any txt file, when you will right click and edit, it will open in the gedit. So gedit is the command which provide you graphical mode interface. Understand?
Okay. Yes, I do.
Okay. So now this is the VIM which you can use, and you have to be expert in the VIM, because without it you will not able to do anything in the Linux, right? Because for performing any task and everything, you have to do a modification, edit files on daily basis. So make sure you do enough practice for the VIM, and also it's a daily task. So definitely you will learn very fast, because without this you will not.